All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry for the late upload. I just got back. Actually, I'm not even home. I'm going to my friend's house to spend the night, who lives close to the shop. But anyways, yeah, I got to the shop at like 5 a.m. We went out of town, and we went to this place right here, as you can see on the screen. And what I did for most of the day was get all these cables or wires put into this control box. I believe that's what it is. A little unfamiliar with this stuff, but this is more of an industrial site, kind of like a processing plant right here where they make food and stuff. So took all these wires and went ahead and stripped them. All the connectors were already in pretty much. These are some type of connector I've never used before, so I don't know the specific name. It's like a CGB or something like that. And there's different sizes for the different sizes of wire. So I went ahead and stripped those wires for most of the day. And then the second part of the day, stripped some more wires and got those wires through the bottom of this cabinet right here. Well, not this specific one, the one behind me, but they started out under the cabinet like in this picture, and then the holes were already drilled, so I was just stripping the wires again and then putting them inside of the units right here. And then my coworker was going behind me and then landing the wires, because most of the process is just getting the wires inside the box. And as you can tell, it pretty much took me most of the day, and we work like a 10-hour day, not including drive time. So yeah, I was gone from like 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. and just got back. So pretty long day, but I feel pretty good about it. But anyways, they're utilizing the cable tray system for all these wires, if you didn't see in the last picture. So just these little metal guarded little metal guard trays, and then they put the wire in there and then zip tie it, as you can see, like this. It goes around the whole building. So it's pretty cool stuff I've never done before, so it's cool to see and work with my coworkers pulling the wire and stuff like that. But like I said, I was just landing the wires today and getting them inside of the boxes where they go. And then this is basically where we were working. This is one of the giant units. Well, it's the only unit in the place that we're working, and we're working up on top of it. It's pretty sturdy, walk around, and there's a lot of weight on it. So anyways, that is what I did today. All right, guys, there's a little bit of light, but not much. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back here in the next one. Doing some different stuff tomorrow, doing some more service calls and stuff like that. So another day of new stuff. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I have no idea what I'm doing tomorrow. So I'm still working with the same guy from the office. We're running different places and doing jobs. So stay tuned. Day number 2 in the union, success, went good. Yeah, so I'm enjoying it so far. And don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out.